Sa panahon ngayon, lahat ay ginagawa na online. Shopping, banking, pakikipag-usap, and even pag-aaral. Pero sa likod ng mga likes at shares, may banta na hindi natin nakikita o napapansin. Ito ay ang cybercrime.
Ipinapakita namin ito para imulat ang lahat, kabataan man o matanda, sa mga panganib ng internet at kung paano natin ito maiiwasan.
Cybercrime is a crime that involves a computer or internet. Pwede itong panluloko, pagnanakaw, paninira ng puri, or even na exploitation.
Example of cybercrimes: 1. Physical scam. 2. Identity theft. 3. Hacking. 4. Cyberbullying. 5. Online sexual exploitation. 6. Fake online selling. 1. Phishing scams. These are online tricks where scammers send fake emails, messages, or create websites that looks real. Their goal is to steal sensitive information like usernames, password, credit card numbers, or bank details. Victims often think they are communicating with a trusted company or a person. 2. Identity theft. This happens when someone illegally uses your personal information such as your name, social security number, or bank account details. The theft may open accounts, make purchases, or commit crimes in your name, damaging your reputation and financial security. 3. Hacking. Hacking is when someone breaks into a computer system, network, or account without permission. Hackers may steal data, plant viruses, or disrupt services. Some hacking is done for money, information, or simply to cause harm or chaos online. 4. Cyberbullying. This is bullying that happens online through social media, text, or other digital platforms. It includes sending mean messages, spreading rumors, or posting embarrassing photos or videos. Cyberbullying can deeply affect a person's mental health and self-esteem. 5. Online sexual exploitation. This involves manipulating or forcing someone, often minors, to share sexual images or video online. Offenders may pretend to be someone else to gain trust or threaten to leak private photos. It is a serious crime or causes long-term emotional trauma. 6. Fake online selling. Scammers create fake online stores or social media pages to trick people into buying products that don't exist. After receiving payment, they disappear or send low-quality or entirely different items. Victims lose money and receive nothing in return.
Oh, wow! This is a really good deal. I'm getting this. Transfer. Okay, done. It's been a week already. Where's my tablet? Huh? What? Are you sure?
Huwag agad maniwala sa mga offer na too good to be true. I-check ang legitimacy ng seller. Huwag magpapadala ng pera sa hindi sigurado. Cyberbullying can lead to anxiety, depression, and even suicide. Be kind online. Think before you comment.
Mag-ingat sa pagbibigay ng personal information online.
Gumamit ng strong password and i-update ito regularly.
Verify muna ang mga online sellers bago magpadala ng bayad.
I-report agad ang mga kahinahinalang accounts o messages.
Huwag basta-basta mag-click ng suspicious link.
Ligtas na internet ay responsibilidad natin lahat. Mag-ingat, mag-report at maging responsable.